This is Timothy Schutte with Realty Capital City and the Timothy Schutte Real Estate Team. Welcome back to my video blog. We've had some rainstorms here this spring, going into summer now, and some farmers I've talked to says it feels like 2018. Others feel it say 1993, where we just get more and more rain. We are almost out of drought in all of Iowa, which is pretty drastic given how dry we were last year. What's interesting though, and something to think about when we have all these rainstorms, is how do we protect your home during heavy rains or rains in general. And it's all about that building envelope and keeping your home dry. So how do we do that? Number one really is gutters. Make sure your gutters are working and clean. It was just last week or week before that, and I didn't realize that I had a clogged gutter, and I had to jump up there during the rainstorm so I didn't get a big puddle at the corner of my house. The second one is drainage and slope. So you need to keep your dirt with a slope away from your foundation. Typically they say 6 inches over 6 feet a slope is best, and that's what they used to do more, or what they would recommend before we really put gutters on everything. The third thing is check your windows and your egress windows, making sure that those aren't clogged, or your weep holes on those windows. Make sure that water, when it hits that window, can get away from there without overflowing that channel and getting on your trim on the inside. So those are 3 basic things. There's plenty more that can be done, but make sure you check those on a regular maintenance item during all these rainstorms. One last thing to consider is testing your sump pump, making sure your sump pump is working. So you can pour some water in there, just make sure that it's draining out and getting away from the foundation far enough from your home. So those are 4 basic things to do to prepare and protect your home from water damage. If you have any questions or would like advice on how to fix something, we're here to help anytime. This is Timothy Schutte with Realty Capital City and the Timothy Schutte Real Estate Team.